Hello and welcome to this PRISMA tutorial. My name is Frederick from PRISMA Customer Care, and in this video I will talk about communications from the PRISMA platform to you during the different stages of an incremental auction. At the beginning of an auction, nothing really changes. If you have opted in for the various notifications, such as being notified when an auction is published at a favorite network point, you will receive these messages. Only once the auction is finished and you were successful in bidding for your desired capacity, will messages from our platform change. Instead of a standard booking confirmation email, you will receive an email stating that the contract outcome is pending due to the economic testing that needs to be done by the TSOs. At the same time, on the platform, you will see the current state of the auction in your activity screen and on the auction details screen. You will also find a new section on the reporting page called Pending. Once all economic tests are completed, you will either receive a booking confirmation or an email that tells you that no contract was created because you were not in the right offer level. Your results will also be visible in your activity feed, the auction details, and in the reporting section. I hope I could provide you with helpful information, but if you have any further questions regarding this topic, please do not hesitate to contact the PRISMA Customer Care team. My name is Frederick, and I wish you a pleasant day.